Go.
Alright, wait. Can you put my head on so it doesn't hit the camera?
Yeah, sure. Oh.
Like that?
It might cover up the camera lens a little bit, but it looks pretty good.
Alright.
That's close enough, I guess. It's gonna look weird, but you don't have a right arm then. Should just take the hat off, but I don't know.
Oh. I could just put it on like this. You can get it to stay on like that. Yeah, so you can get it to stay on like downward so it covers the back of my head.
Alright, sure.
That way you know I have the lens clear.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's me.
Alright. Cool. Good luck.
Move! Come on, move it, move it! Oh shit, my hat! Oh, no! Yes! Woo! For Mother Russia! I'm going the other way! Shit. What?
I'm planking around the side.
Shit. Shit. Shit, my goggles. No scope.
Huh?
No scope. Shit. God damn it. Can't see through my scope. Oh, there we go. It's a little bit.
Who's spawned yet?
I don't know. This is my rifle. There are many like it, but this one is mine. This thing's not feeding, goddammit.
That's the fucking ginger tree. It just looks like the You didn't even pull out of it. What you put your back I know you got pulled. You're telling me 7 on 4. This is bullshit.
I see you. Oh yeah.
You hit sailors?
No.
Can we go or what? Have you done 2 minutes yet? After 2 minutes we're good. Oh, I think it's been 2 minutes. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's been a long. Let's do like...
God damn it, now I goggles.
Anybody, Alex?
No, my thing won't feed.
He's sticking his head right up.
The BBs won't feed. This is bullshit. Fucking cheating.
No full auto. We just have the decency to fire first instead of just emptying out on us. Redhead?
The redhead's a fucking cheater. That's all he'll ever be. Oh. Oh. Should bring a fucking minigun out here. Yo, Sam, you out? Let's get some rules, you fuckers! That's because you have an LMG doesn't mean you could go full auto, dick face. Can't see shit through the scope. Hey, call your hits! That guy in the tower to the right, he's not calling his hits. I'm seeing the BB hit him. The last one hit him in the throat. Oh, fuckers. My fucking goggles keep fogging up. Go figure. Oh, yeah, evidence. I shot the guy once in the throat. He didn't fall all his hits. It's bullshit.
What's this bullshit? Yeah.
They're bullshit. Hey, someone give me a fucking M16 so I can light them up. As soon as they come in here, that's what I'm gonna do.
Get the GoPro?
Yes. You just got